All right, today we're going to go with foam rolling for the quads. All right, so what I'd like to have everybody do is to set up with the foam roller right up against, right above their knees, right above the kneecaps. And today we're going to demonstrate how to do this with both quads. So Brandon's going to start just above the kneecaps. What he's going to do is very slowly roll up towards the hip. I'd like to recommend everybody put a timer right in front of them and set it for 60 seconds and take 60 seconds to get from the knee up to the hip. Now once we get to the hip, then I like to just get off it and then start over. Another thing we can do is we can pull the roller back right up above the kneecaps. What we can do is when this feels okay, going back and forth, we can then monkey with different rotations of the hip. So what we can do first is rotate both hips in a little bit and keep the knees a little closer, Brandon. And then same thing. Like I said, a timer goes super slow, slowly roll up towards the hip. We're just getting a different angle on the quads by internally rotating the hips. And then we can even do the same thing and then externally rotate out, right? And then same thing, go super slow and hit different parts of the quads. And this should help improve range of motion at the hips and at the knees. So if you have any knee stiffness, if you've been told you've got limited range of motion in your quads, if running has become an issue and there's knee pain, give this a shot and it should help.